Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to be learning how to use the apostrophe for plural possession. This is a level 4 skill. We are going to begin by recapping on what plural means. Plural simply means that there is more than one of something, for example birds or houses. We also need to understand what nouns are. Nouns are naming words for people, places, animals or things. For example, girl, foxes and Spain are all nouns. We are now going to think about what possession means. Possession means that something belongs to something or someone, and we use a punctuation mark called an apostrophe to show possession in nouns. We are now going to learn how to show possession in plural nouns. If the noun is plural and ends in an S, we add an apostrophe to the end of the word to show possession. For example, the dog's tails wagged happily. Here, dogs is a plural noun and the tails belong to the dogs, so to show possession, we add an apostrophe after the word dogs. If the noun is plural but does not end in an S, we add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the word to show possession. For example, the men's bikes were dirty. Men is a plural noun, but it does not end in S, so to show that the bikes belong to the men, we have to add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the noun men. Here are some more sentences that use the apostrophe to show plural possession. The first sentence is, the children's play was amazing. The play belongs to the children, but children is a plural noun that doesn't end in S. So to show possession, we have to add an apostrophe and an S to the word children. In the next example, the volcano's summits were covered in snow. The summits belong to the volcanoes. Volcanoes is a plural noun and it ends in S, so we simply add an apostrophe to the end of the word volcanoes to show possession. Here are 3 sentences. They all say, the cat's collars jingled as they ran. But only one of them shows plural possession correctly. Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself about which sentence is correct? Let's take a look. There are many cats and the collars belong to the cats, so the word cat needs an apostrophe. In the first sentence, the apostrophe is in the wrong place. It would go after the word cat and before the S if there was one cat, but there are many cats, so this is wrong. The second sentence is correct because cat is plural and it ends in an S, so to show possession we add an apostrophe after the word cats. The last sentence is incorrect because it is the word cats that should have an apostrophe, and here the apostrophe has been put in collars instead, which is the wrong word. Here are 3 more sentences. They all say the people's passports were checked. But only one of them shows plural possession correctly. Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself about which sentence is correct? Let's take a look. There are many people and the passports belong to the people, so the word people needs an apostrophe. The first sentence is incorrect because the apostrophe is in the wrong word. It should be in the word people's, not in passports. The second sentence is incorrect because people is a plural noun, but it does not end in S. So the apostrophe should be after the letter E in people. The third sentence is correct because people is a plural noun and it doesn't end in S. So we need to add an apostrophe and the letter S to the word people. Here is a summary of the learning in this lesson. If the noun is plural and it ends in an S, we add an apostrophe to the end of the word to show possession. If the noun is plural but it does not end in an S, we add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the word to show possession.